going to get to our first caller. On the line holding is Arthur. Welcome, and you can ask your question now, Arthur.
I just want to know, how long is workman comp responsible for an injury you received while you were working?
Like that question.
Yes.
Yes,
Arthur. So that's a good question. Well, it depends. So we have different type of cases. Sometimes we have those cases, we call it no missing time cases, where the general 2-year statute will apply. Those injuries, typically when people get injured, the injury is not that severe. They're still able to continue to work for the employer while they're receiving treatment. So basically they don't have any missing time at work. So if that's the case, then the 2-year statute will apply. But we have the other type of cases where the injury is more severe. So those folks, they need extensive treatments, and they may treat even for a couple years. And after they complete the treatment, what workers' comp insurance company will do is file a form called B31. It's called Final Notice of Payment. They will file it with the Mississippi Workers' Compensation Commission, and once the commission receives that B31, it will start this 1-year statute of limitation. So it's very important, in order to keep your case open, you got to remember to go back to the authorized treating doctor at least once a year, so that the insurance company have to make another payment. They have to file another B31, so that's how you get another year.
Okay.
But you'll have to remember doing that every year.
So, Chris, is it common for people to treat over, many years on a workers' compensation case?
It depends on the extent of the injuries, because some of those injuries are quite severe. They can last for a couple of years.
So while the person's not able to go to work, for instance, what do they receive? How is that calculated?
Yes, when the physician treating them for the work injury, if the physician is deemed that they just unable to work, then in Mississippi we have a 5-day waiting period.
Meaning that if your doctor only takes you off of work for 5 days, then you're not going to receive anything. But more than that, then you can start receiving some benefits called temporary disability benefits, which is 2/3 based on your pre-injury average weekly wage.